નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 7 subject English unit number 5 exploring values. As you know students, in our previous videos and previous units we studied about exploring something and something. In our fourth unit we studied about exploring poetry. Now in our fifth unit we have to explore values. What is a value? First of all we have to understand about it. Values means some important things. Values means kimat. In Gujarati we can say that it's a kimat. So here in that whole unit we have to study about different types of values. Whole the unit is divided into 10 activities and all are related to different types of values. So students, let's start it. Activity number first. We have to see first of all. So just open your English textbook. Unit number 5, exploring values. Activity number first. We have to study about it. It's a one type of homework. It's a one type of homework and it is known as a puzzle time. It is known as a puzzle time. I think that everybody have interest. Everybody have interest in solving the puzzle. Can you solve the puzzle anytime? In our local newspapers, English newspapers and in many more places we say that different types of puzzles. We have to solve it. If we solve the puzzle, our interest become deeper. We got more knowledge to solve the puzzles. Here one puzzle is given related to our maths work. See here, I drew 4 boxes. In your textbook, you can see that type of 4 boxes is drawn in your textbook. We have to solve the puzzle. But first of all, starting our puzzle solving, just we have to see the rules and regulations. Here one mouse is lying on the floor and he speaks something. We have to listen first of all is, can you put the numbers 1 to 8 in each of square so that each side adds up to the middle number? What we have to do? We have to use only 1 to 8 number. We have to use only 1 to 8 number in each of square so that each side adds up the middle number. Each side's addition become only middle side number. So we have to put 1 to 8 number. We have to use 1 to 8 number here and we have to make 3 box total just at the middle size box. So keep in mind, we have to use only 1 to 8 number and then addition of that line, addition of that line, 4 sides addition must be middle side number. So all the box have a same rules and regulation. We have to use only 1 to 8 number to solve that puzzle. So let's start it and let's try it. It's a puzzle time. It's a puzzle time. Let's start. First of all, 12 is given here. 12 number is given here. We have to put values. We have to put a number between 1 to 8 and we have to make total 12 here. Horizontal, verticals, all the addition must be in a 12. Answer must be 12. So just we have to see about it. First one is that 12 we have to make. For example, think I put here 1 number. I put here 1. Then next number I put 8 and next number I put 3. Find out the total of 3 figures. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So I get answer here correctly. I get answer here correctly. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 3, 12. So I get answer. Now we have to see only verticals. We have to see the verticals line also. So here 1 already used. We have to find out 11 here. Both boxes addition must be 11 when 1 is already given here. So keep in mind that things also. So here 1 is given. Other things I put here. We have to get 11. So I put here 5. I put here 6. Now count it. 5, 6, 11 plus 1, 12. So answer 12. So here correct. Both sides correct. Now we have to do other two sides. Here 6 is given. We have to make other 6. Then it's become a 12. How it become now? We have to put here 4 and here 2. So it's become a 6 and 4. 10, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Now we have to take 3 and 2. 5. 5 is given. How many required now we have to put here? Yes, very good. 7. We have to put here 7. So here our first puzzle solved. Find out that 12, 12, 12, 12. All the sides total must be 12. Between number must be. So I put here 1, 8, 3. Then a vertical line 3, 7, 2. Then a horizontal line 6, 4, 2. Here 1, 5, 6. So all the figures addition must be 12. Means between number. I do first puzzle here. Now second one we have to do. 13 number is given here. We have to make total 13 here. So we have to keep in mind all the rules and regulations related to first puzzle. So here what I have to put here. For example, I put here 8, then 4, then 1. Now what's the total? Count it. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So it's become a 13 answer. Now here we have to solve the horizontal line. 8 is already given. What I have to put? 3 here and 2 here. Now count it. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. So answer we get. Now we have to see horizontal lines once again. Here 2 is already given. What we have to put here? 6 and 5. Now make a total. Now make total. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So we get 13 answer. Here 5 and 1 given is 6. Now remaining. How many remaining? Yes. Only 7 we have to add. We have to add 7. So here 13 we can count with puzzle. 8, 4, 1 is equal to 13. 8, 3, 2 is equal to 13. 2, 6, 5 is equal to 13. And 1, 7, 5 is equal to 13. So I use only 1 to 8 number. See, our condition is that you have to use only 1 to 8 number, not more values. We have to use only 1 to 8 number. Can you understand? Here our 2 puzzles solved. Now third one we have to solve. Third value is 14. We have to find the 14 number. So first of all I write here 7 and 3 and 4. Now make a total here. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So it's become our answer 14. Now horizontal line we have to discuss about it. 7 is given already. We have to require only 7 in both ways. Box. So what we have to put here? For example, put 6 and here 1. Now count it. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. So it's become a 14. Now we have to do horizontal line here. 1 is given. I put here 5. I put here 8. Then what happens? See, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So answer is the correct here 14. Now last vertical lines we have to solve. 4 and 8 is given here. 4 and 8 is equal to 12. We require only 2 to make 14. So here our puzzle solved. Here our puzzle solved. See here. 7 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 14. 7 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 14. 1 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 14. And then horizontal line 4 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 16. 14. So all our 3 puzzles solved here. You have to write answers in your English textbook. Okay? Just we have to solve the puzzles in that way. Now last puzzle remaining. Now last puzzle we have to do. Middle box value is 15 given here. We have to make total 15 number here. So middle box value is 15 given here. So we have to do 15 here to make a complete puzzle. First of all, 3 boxes given here. I put here value. For example, I put here 6, then 1, and then 8. Now count it. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 15, I got 15 answer here. Now in horizontal line we have to discuss about it. 6 is already given, we have to make 15. So we have to use 2 boxes and 1 to 8 number we have to put to make 15 total. So here 6 is already given here. I put here 2. I put here 2. Then 7. Count it now. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. So we get answer here. Okay. Now our horizontal lines we have to clear it. 7 already given here. We have to make 8 here. Okay. So how we put 8 here? Here 3. Here 3. So now make total here. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So we get answer 15 here. Now last vertical line remaining 8 and 3 is given already given here. 8 and 3 means 11. Now how many remaining now? Yes, 4. So here we have to put 4. So our 15, just count it. 6, 1, 8 means 15. 6, 2, 7 means 15. 7, 5, 3 means 15. 8, 4, 3, 15. So here we get what answer given in a middle box. So all the puzzles are now solved by you. Now you have to complete all the answers in your English textbook. Can you see students? Here all are value placed in a different box to get that middle box value. So all are known as values. In that unit we have to study about values, different values. Exploring values is the heading of our English lesson. Unit number 5th lesson. Now everybody have to complete it in your textbook. Can you understand student here? Here our activity number first over. Now we have to do activity number 2nd to 10. Okay? So complete it in your textbook. Now remaining activities we have to do in our next videos. Okay student?
Thank you for joining us